This is the Portland leather dual motor riser recliner. It combines exceptional comfort with high quality craftsmanship, all in an elegant and contemporary design. The Portland riser recliner is available in both a single and dual motor model, and once set up, it's remarkably easy to use. The dual motor allows you to alter the backrest and the footrest independently for customizable comfort and pressure relief. This will ensure you find the perfect position for reading or TV, or even having a gentle nap. The big buttons are light to the touch, perfect for those living with arthritis or weakness in the hands or wrists. The Portland's discreet side pocket will keep the handset out of your way, with additional space for either reading material or your TV remote. There's a gentle riser motor too, helping you in or out of the chair without the need for assistance. Simply push the riser button until you are at a near standing position. This way you can get off or on the chair without any unnecessary strain to your hands or knees. The padded backrest and headrest will encourage good posture, and the armrests are superbly soft to the touch. The Portland is upholstered in high quality, low maintenance leather that's easy to clean. It's available in two attractive modern colours, steel grey and taupe. The Portland dual motor riser recliner, all part of the wider range of riser recliners from CareCo. You can find out more about these chairs or the entire range on our website, in our stores, or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.